S to the C double O S A. Scoosa is the name, and I do this every day. So like, subscribe, turn on notification, because I'm bringing the heat with no hesitation.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I need you to subscribe and turn that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Today's video is going to be my last and final update on the Admire My Skin Ultra Potent Brightening Serum. If you haven't seen my 3 previous videos, go back and watch those and then come back to this video. Or you can just stay tuned. You can find this product at Amazon. It was about $25. As always, I will leave the link below. So overall, I give this product 5 stars. When I first started using this product, my skin was horrible. Now it actually doesn't look bad. I still have some trouble spots that I need to work on. As you can see on my cheek. But for the most part, it did a really good job. I'm not going to go into detail because I did it in the previous videos. So go back and watch those videos. I'll also leave in some key cards so you can go back and check those videos out. Number 1, above all things, make sure you use sunscreen. Make sure you use sunscreen, period. Something else I wanted to point out is if you can look down here. This one and these, they disappeared, and I feel like every time I go into the sun, they come back. And I know I'm using sunscreen, so I'm not sure exactly what the issue is. So Admire My Skin, once again, it's like a low-grade chemical peel. Some people peel, some people don't peel. Some of my marks peeled, and then some of them just faded away. But majority of them, I would say that they peel. Well, I want to say my more stubborn marks, they did peel. And I noticed the peeling beginning on my day 3, my day 4 is when I noticed my peeling. And another key tip is when you're peeling, do not peel it. Let it peel on its own. Because if you peel it before it's ready to peel, you're going to have to start the whole process again. I started using the product February 6th. So today is April 6th, which is 60 days. So the instructions, you get a little label right here with the instructions on it. It's like a warning label, I guess. Right here. And it tells you after using this product continuously for 60 to 90 days, give your skin a break for 30 days, and then you can come back and continue using the product. So since today is my 60 days, I'm going to discontinue using the product, and I'm going to try Urban Skin RX. They had a even tone bundle, so I'm going to try that bundle, because from me using the product, my skin it is uneven some places. So I'm going to use that to see if that can even my skin tone out. And after I use the Urban Skin RX for 30 days, if I need to go back to the Admire My Skin, I will. But hopefully I won't, and I could just, be done with it. But if not, then I might go back and continue to use the Admire My Skin. And as always, I will insert some before and after pictures at the end. So I think I'll just go ahead and do my Urban Skin RX and track those results too, to let you all see, how that worked. I ordered it and it came in the mail this week. I think I ordered it and it shipped like the next day or something like that. It was shipping was fast, what I'm trying to say. So it comes in a box like this. And inside of the box, you get a little bag. The bag says, good skin, good mood, good day, which is true. So inside the box is where you have your products. So like I said, I got the even skin bundle, even tone bundle, something like that. So you get, this is the even tone cleansing bar 3-in-1 treatment. It's a 3-in-1 treatment because it's a cleanser, a mask, and an exfoliator. You also get a retinol rapid repair and dark spot treatment. Then you get Even Tone Super Glow Serum. And you also get a moisturizer. Yep, a moisturizer with an SPF. So I'm going to try these products for 30 days. And hopefully it evens up my skin tone. And I don't have to go back and use it to Admire My Skin. But if I do, I will let y'all know. First, we're going to start with the Even Tone Cleansing Bar. Directions. Moisture enclosed sponge to create a creamy lather. Massage onto face, then rinse off. You can allow the lather to remain on the skin for up to 3 minutes to use. Create a lather. It smells like something. I can't put my finger on it. It smells like something. It's not a bad smell. And let's not forget the neck area. Now I have to rinse it with warm water. I like to pat my face dry with the paper towel after I wash my face. Got a piece of hair. I don't have any toner from Urban Skin RX. I do have my Biore, so I'm just going to use this toner. Let that dry. Now I'm gonna go in with the dark spot treatment. It's like a yellowish color. This one smells funny. It smells like it's gonna work. Next, we're gonna go in with our Even Tone Super Glow Serum. I've been seeing people use this like all over Facebook stuff, and they just drop the stuff over their face and then rub it in. And I've been wanting to do this, so I'm about to do it. 6 drops. Let's see. 1, 2, 5. This smells funny too. This smells, I don't know. I want to say like medicine, but like it's gonna work. No, something got like a distinct odor. Like, I can't explain it, but it smells like it's gonna work. Now that our Even Tone Super Glow Serum has dried, we can go in with our Complexion Protection Moisturizer. Just that much to see. Sunscreen smells like sunscreen. It feels like a moisturizing. And that is it. So we're gonna see what happens after 30 days. I will be updating you all. After using all of these products, my face doesn't feel cakey or, it don't feel cakey. Like, it don't feel like I have a lot of stuff on my face. It just feels moisturized. So, I think I'm gonna like this. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to stay tuned and see my progress after 30 days, then go ahead, subscribe, and turn that post notification bell so you can be notified. Thank you.